Okay, so this drawing we are going to make the same. All birds are make the same. Press down. Press down. Okay, so basically make it circle over here. This bird not oval. You can make the circle directly. I'll make color so little bigger drawing. And when you draw the pencil color drawing, that time try to make it very light drawing, okay? So you can rub it very nicely, okay? Because color, when you draw the color drawing, so just divide this like this. In the middle of the line here is this exactly eyes is here. Only start the eyes over here, okay? Okay, so done the eyes over here. Now this is a beak. So beak is very small, so can make it this line, the extension, the beak line basically. So when you are understand the line, the drawing, very constructions way. This is the way, very easy way. Is it difficult or easy, beta?
Sir, it's very easy.
Wow, that's great. So you can uh, make it like this. This the head just little draw little down like this. Okay. This is the one, the beak like this. Okay. Now make it first make the oval, and this oval convert to the first make the circle, and the circle convert to oval. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
can you stop because I have to catch up.
You have to.
I have to catch up.
Okay, beta. Yeah, yeah. I answer. Kar. Take your time.
Sir, I've done. How is it?
So, fantastic.
Okay, sir.
It's really awesome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. We are going to color now, so be ready for color.
Sir, we'll use oil pastel.
Yeah, of course, go ahead to oil pastel.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Blishka beta, done that much. Can you go ahead, little extension?
Sir, can you go to the next step?
Yes, thank you. Well, so now at the next steps, we are going to color here. Here is that making this one. Here, see this one, two. So you can make it. This is the feather, the wings. Okay, here one wings and here one of the wings. Okay, make the wings, and here you can create the, take your time, create this till, like this one, two, three, like this tail over here, right? Fine. This is the area. This is the basically in birds. Okay, this is area of leg one. Okay, two. Make the two leg like this. Okay, this is two legs I draw over here, and the birds and sitting on some logs. Okay, some wooden logs. It is some wooden logs. Okay, you can draw some, something like that. Okay. So we are ready to color now. Just first finish the drawing, then you can go color. Okay. Aram, so take your time.
Sir and Sriyadita have done. How is it?
Wow, Shradita, this is good. Uh, Fine. You can, your this wood should be little straight. This is looks good. Your wood
Okay,
is,
sir, I'll just make it straight.
here. It is coming little side.
So, how is my drawing gonna go?
Yes.
How is my drawing, sir?
Nice, beta.
Sir, how is it now? I'm Sriyadita.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So can go ahead to start the color now.
Sir, which color should we do?
Yes.
Sir, which color?
The we are doing this color, poster color. So I just erasing the construction line inside. Okay. So when I start the color, any pencil line, you just erasing little. So extra pencil color can remove. So it looks color is coming very nice. Otherwise, pencil color is mixed with the pastel color, and it looks dirty, little bit of. So that's why I just erasing maximum no, the dark. So I can see my drawing, but not full. Lightly erasing. Okay. So now the time to color. We should first we can create the French ultramarine color over here. The like this. Make the stretch ultramarine. Okay, you can put the gray. Gray or violet color, you can use this. This is Rambo birds, it's got looks a lots of color inside the body. So this main body color is a reddish orange, like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so you can make it the little light violet color for body. Okay, like this. Okay, and this bird is using this yellow. Okay, you can use the yellow. This part. You can just take it a little dark. Dark violet and make it the border like this. Like this. Okay. Just put the color, the red. The same red, the body color. I just put it here. And then in the middle of the okay, just make it the dark pencils, the black color. Okay, like this. You can go ahead the settings.
Sir,
Yes, beta,
मैं क्या
Joanna. I using my pencil for shading, detailing. Okay, the feather detailing. You can create this nice shading here. Make some small feather. Okay, aram se take your time. We are doing the next scenery. Okay, so we have next 15 minutes to draw scenery. So make some nice birds. Okay, the legs like this, and the wood here's yellow ochre. Okay, like this.
What have you colored the first base color of this?
Yellow ochre, beta. Yellow
Okay.
ochre. After yellow ochre, I use the brown sienna. Okay,
Okay.
make like this. You can make some sky colors here and there. Just put something sky color. Okay, here and there, it's like a cobalt blue or the sky blue, whatever you wish to put, you can put over there.